Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 websites. We are going to be reviewing the website together. 3 websites that I actually thought they are going to pay me my money after doing the task that I am supposed to do, but it turned out to be a scam, and it turned out to be a total waste of time, energy, data, my battery. Oh god damn it. The funniest part of it is that people are posting it on YouTube that you can end up to like $300 from this website, $200 from this website, $100 from this website, whereas me and them, like they and I, like we all know this is the lie. Why posting it? Actually, I am here for it to prevent you to expose this website to you. I don't want you to fall into the victim of wasting your time, data, as I have been a victim. It's so annoying, guys. So let's go straight to the video and let's start reviewing the video together. I'm going to show you step by step, guys, on how I actually did it and how everything was turning out. So guys, the first on my list is Toloka. Toloka is also an online website where you can earn money, but I already downloaded the app because when I log into their website, they said I should download the app. Actually, you can also perform the tasks on their website, and so I go straight and download the app, and this is the app showing on my screen right now. As you can see, the prices of job that is there, task that is there: $1 task, $0.02 task, 2 cents. That is cents though. It's not up to $1. So there's, in the nutshell, I performed the task. I performed 0.50 cents task. The first day after this was that was the stuff that I performed. But when I'm done with the task, they said my money is under review, and the next day I checked my accounts, so nothing was there to be reviewed again. Like they are not reviewing any money, so any money is not in my accounts. Apparently, yeah, I'm not getting any money. So the other way you can also earn money from this website is that you are going to refer. So how can I even refer someone to this website where I'm not making money from? So I can't do it. So trust me, your girl, I will never give you a fake website that is not even paying anything. Okay guys, okay, trust me on that. So if this website is working for you, please let us know in the comment section so that you can help some other people out and explain, and just let us know how you did it and how it's working for you, and let us know which country, because right now I'm in Nigeria and this is not working for me at all. It's just total waste of, because these are the notification. It's just like total waste of time, total waste of data. As in, it's so annoying though. So let's review the second website together. So the second website is Loot Up. On Loot Up, when you are a new member, when you registered, you get 2 points because you register your account. So that is the 10 points you're saying the column blue, like up. As you can see, lifetime points balance is 10 points. So pending points balance is 0 points. There are other ways that you can actually earn from this website. You give away contents to redeem. So that is how you can actually get money from this website. But this website might actually be working well in other country, but I am Nigeria and I'm doing this video all because Nigerians are actually out there looking for ways to make more money. I want to be helping people, not to be asking them to do unnecessary thing that is not even working for me. How would I even do such a thing to some other people? So all of these things, like this thing that you're saying, is not working for me because I tried it too, and I was actually impressed because I see some people there. So it's not new to me again, because the other one that I did, I even went up to like $300. Hey, stay tuned and watch to the very end so that you not miss the last one, because that is the main original old Lego going, like the real robbers. So now let's continue with this one. So these are the tasks that you can do. Easy math quiz. I click on it to perform the task. Fine. It was redirecting me, and eventually I landed myself on the website again. This is where I landed. Quiz facts. So I was told to, I was just scrolling down. I was like, what I click on was mathematics. I still check my corner of my phone whether it's mathematics that is there. No, all those, are you ready to play? They are hard. This is hard. Like, this website is actually making money from us clicking on their website. And guys, let's be real, this is a total waste of time. If you are looking for a way to make real money online, do not forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video that's going to be making you a huge amount of money. This is not about mouth. This is not matter where machine. That's how they used to say. This is real. Honestly, the reason why I actually started this YouTube channel is to dedicate my YouTube channel to help people, not to retrieve them of what they already have, like this data stuff, energy, strengths of doing something better than all of these things. I was clicking on the quiz though, and they were just redirecting me, as in they are redirecting me, and then ad will just pops up somewhere. They will ask you to watch the ad for like 5 minutes. Automatically, I knew this, that on the website when you are watching ad, the website owner gets paid, but now you're not getting paid. I was like, okay, let me do this assessment that I should type my answer on this place. I was typing answers, so it's just this thing is not good. It's just wasting my time. So because I still see some people saying that you can actually earn money from this website, okay, fine, maybe they are earning it in their own country, but Nigeria, it's a scam and you it's not even working at all. So you can also try it out, okay? No, I was like, so that it won't be like, this guy is just making mouth, just saying nonsense, okay? So let's go to the next one. That's the last one. That got me so much, like, let's go. So guys, the last on my list is money easy. Anyway, you just money easy, pick race. My sister, my brother, pick race, as in this specifically, that website actually consume my data, like like it's just swallowing it, like, hey, it's have to like money. Which I didn't find up and down, but I just want to try this thing, so I'll post it on my YouTube channel, and other people benefit from it, as I'm seeing people posted the link here and there, and I saw people uploading the video as well. So I wanted to try it out though, that if this thing is actually true or not true, then I'm going to post it. I always post it first on my Telegram. I already posted this video very long time on my Telegram. This particular websites, that this website is scam. So I always post I'm always post first on my Telegram channel. So if you want to join the Telegram channel, the group, I'm going to drop the link in the description box for you to join the group. So let's go. I wanted to enter my former account, but I couldn't enter the former account. I don't know why. So I just want to create another account and show you exactly how you are going to get your $25 at first, when you like a welcome bonus. $25. So I'm creating. So all you need is just your name, username, email address. Do you know funniest part? This is where I'm supposed to have sensitive. And this website, any website that asks you to enter your Gmail, they will ask you to verify your Gmail. But this particular website, oh my god, they did not even ask for verification. They did not even ask for verification of Gmail. It's so annoying. Let me go more like you, would you? So this is the website though. They already gave me 25, as you can see, $25. I don't have any click here yet. This is how your account will look like if you just open the account, but I'm going to show you my former accounts where I already recorded it. But the current one I made almost like $400. It's not, I was not able to get access to the account again. I don't know why. It's just I already used this Gmail before for this account, but it's still opening another one. If it is a legit account, it's going to tell me that this account has been used. This Gmail has been used. Do you understand? But you just go ahead and create another account again. So this is the account that my former account. I was so hungry when I end up to $400 and I wanted to cash it out, and I actually forget to even make the record. I was actually making this record because I want to share it on my YouTube channel. So the guy I referred, it was the one that I'm like, the result, that was the one click, the one invite that I get. All this 4 seconds ago, money easily just paid $215 to so account. It's a scam. Like, it's a real scam, real one. This is how it just be pumping up when you are on the screen, like when you are on the website. It just be pumping up anyhow, like every second. So it should be showing you different results. Abdullah Kiniko, and someone earned money 2 seconds ago. Their own is not minute though, it's seconds. Now seconds, every seconds, don't cash out. It's a lie. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. If you think this is kind of helpful, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I always post legit website that will pay you money on my channel. Okay guys, trust me on this. So, and I'm going to be posting very soon legit ways to make money and skills to actually learn with shikini money, even if it's just 5,000 naira, that you can learn to make more than million. Once you seek a knowledge, you know it. You've known it, the knowledge forever. You have the knowledge, you've known it forever. All you have to do is just to teach others, make money, teach others, make money. So guys, that is what I will be discussing in the next video. But I want you to bear with me because I'm writing my exam in a few weeks, so I'm preparing for my exam. So guys, I'm so sorry if I will not be uploading in the next 2 weeks. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye, take care, love you.